Good day, this video demonstrates a simple way to improve computer performance through proper RAM installation.
To expand on that, this demonstration will not only show the process itself but also explain why proper RAM installation plays a crucial role in system performance. Many users overlook configuration, even though it can significantly impact how efficiently a computer runs.
A slow computer is not always caused by an outdated hardware. In many cases, it is due to the improper configuration, such as a single channel memory instead of a dual channel.
What this means is that even if the components are relatively modern or still functional, incorrect setup can limit their potential. Single-channel memory restricts how data is transferred between RAM and the processor, which can result in lower load times, reduced multitasking capability, and an overall less responsive system.
So let's see the step-by-step process. Step 1. Turn off the computer and unplug it for safety.
So this step is essential because this is used to prevent electrical damage and this ensures user safety. So working on a powered system can risk short circuit or damage to sensitive components such as the motherboard. So always make sure that the system is completely powered down before proceeding.
Step 2. Open the system unit and locate the RAM slots on the motherboard.
Now at this stage, you should carefully identify the RAM slots, which are typically located near the CPU. These slots are often color-coded or labeled to guide proper installation, which is important for enabling dual-channel configuration.
Step 3. If you have two RAM sticks, install them in alternating slots, usually labeled slot 1 and slot 3 or slot 2 and slot 4.
This placement is critical because dual channel mode relies on using paired memory slots that can communicate with each other. Installing RAM in the correct alternating slots allows the system to access both memory modules simultaneously, effectively increasing data, bandwidth, and improving performance.
Step 4. Secure the RAM properly, then close the system unit and power on the computer.
When installing RAM, ensure that it is firmly seated in the slot and that the locking clips snap into the proper place. Improper installation may cause the system to fail to detect the memory or lead to instability. So make sure to double check this step because this is important before powering the system back on.
After turning on the computer, check the system information or BIOS to confirm that dual channel mode is enabled.
You can verify this through the system BIOS or by using software tools within the operating system. Confirming that dual channel mode is active ensures that the installation was successful and that the system is now operating at its best.
In the single channel mode, memory operates at a lower bandwidth. In dual channel mode, the bandwidth is increased, which improves overall system performance.
Now to explain this further, bandwidth refers to how much data can be transferred at a given time. With dual channel memory, the system effectively doubles the data pathways, like in a highway. Now this allows faster communication between the components. This results in smoother performance, especially in tasks that require high memory usage like in video editing.
Proper hardware configuration helps extend the life of devices and reduces the electronic waste and promotes the responsible use of technology.
Now, this highlights the importance of maximizing existing resources instead of immediately upgrading or replacing hardware. By optimizing configuration, users can achieve better performance while also contributing to sustainability and cost efficiency.
In conclusion, optimizing existing hardware is a simple and effective way to enhance performance without the need for replacement.
So yeah, overall, this demonstration shows that small adjustments in hardware setups can lead to noticeable improvements in the system efficiency. Understanding these basic concepts allow users to make better use of their device and avoid unnecessary upgrades.